TD Bank. So, how to open an account in TD Banking online. Want to open an account with TD Bank? It's easy to get started with their online banking sign-up process. Let me show you how. Start by going to www.td.com or search for TD Bank in your browser. On the home page, look for the Open an Account option and click on it to begin. TD Bank offers various accounts like checking, savings, or student accounts. Choose the one that fits your needs. You'll be prompted to provide personal details like your name, address, social security number, and date of birth, so make sure to enter accurate information. Once your account type is selected, you can also sign up for TD Bank's online banking. You'll create a username and password and possibly set up security questions for added protection. For most accounts, you'll need to make an initial deposit. You can do this via wire transfer, check deposit, or transfer from another account. After filling out all the required information, review your details and confirm everything is correct. Submit your application and your account will be ready. And that's it. You're all set to use TD Bank's online banking services. Be sure to download their app for easy account management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.